Hi everyone, welcome back to I'm That channel. So today topic is about calculations in Power BI. So how we are going to do calculations in Power BI in from the previous loaded Zomato data. Starting off, we can see that the data has been loaded. So first we are going to click on table tools and click on measure. Quick measure is also there, but we're going to click on measure. So we are going to first calculate the total number of countries, because we don't know how many countries are there in total. So we have a variable as total countries, and then we put distinct count, and we click on we press on the number of countries. So distinct count is a variable that it's going to help you to identify how many countries are there, how many unique countries are there with the country name. So first measure is been calculated. Then the next is total number of cities. So cities is also required for us to know how many number of cities are there for us to do the visualization. So this also comes with this thing, and we click on the Zomato cuisine cities, and then we are going to get the total number of cities and press on commit. So that measure is also created. So there are two measures created as total countries and total cities. Next, we are going to create another new measure for total restaurants. So how many restaurants are there all around the world is also important to know. Total restaurant also, then distinct count we give, and we give the restaurant ID. So each restaurant will have a unique ID. So the unique ID will be counted in the measure, and total number of restaurants will be calculated. So these measures could be seen visualized in a card and many more when it comes to visualization, which is the part 3. Then next we are going to click on commit, and we are going to next, after the measures has been created, we go to home to create a slicer. What is a slicer? A slicer is just like a filter which will help you to find out or filter out in the entire dashboard that we are creating. So first we are going to put country names as the slicer. So all the countries, all the existing countries has been created, and this could be changed in the style could be changed as bold or the tile base and many more. Then next we have another slicer to see which countries is going to do online delivery. Clicking on the clear selection, we can clear the entire whatever the selected in the slicer, and we are going to create another slicer as in for has a table booking. So if suppose we want to know what is the table booking and what are the restaurants which has table booking, alongside we create another slicer to find whether it is delivering now. So 3 slices has been created alongside to check the ability of how the dashboard can be changed when we create the other bar graph and the stack graph. Stay tuned for the next building visualization part 3. See you on the next video. Until then, follow, subscribe, share for more videos. I am that channel. Thank you and have a great day.